If you have a box of this and some chicken and 30 minutes, you can have dinner done tonight. Rice-A-Roni Chicken Casserole is a one-pot dinner that is ready super quick. It's creamy, it's filling, and it's delicious. It's a recipe that my entire family goes crazy for every single time I make it. And my favorite part is it's budget friendly. Hi, I'm Carrie with eatingonadime.com, where we help families eat well on a budget. You can find today's recipe linked in the description. Let's get cooking. Now today's recipe serves 4 people, and we're gonna start off with a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. You can also do chicken thighs. I just highly recommend that you use boneless, skinless. Can't talk. First thing I'm gonna do is chop up these into bite-sized pieces. We're making a casserole into the skillet. So it's a casserole, but it's a 1-pan skillet, so these all need to be bite-sized. So you decide what bite-sized pieces are, but I like mine pretty small because, number one, it cooks faster, and you'll get a little bit of chicken and a little bit of rice in every single bite. And that's the hardest part of the meal. Let's head to the stovetop and get to cooking. In a large skillet, heat about a tablespoon of oil. Then add in that diced up chicken. Now we're going to spread this out into a thin layer so that chicken can begin to brown. Now the seasonings are simple. We're going to do a half a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of salt. Time saving and money saving tip. If you have leftover chicken that's shredded or diced up, you can use that in this actual recipe. It's a super simple way, and then you can actually have dinner ready in under 20 minutes. Now you're gonna wanna saute this, but actually let it sit until you see white on the side, then it begins to brown. We want those little white, the little brown spots on the bottom, because that adds all the flavor to our sauce. Now go ahead and start to flip them after 3 to 4 minutes when you start to see it brown. Then we're gonna let them sit for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then add in 2 tablespoons of butter and let it begin to melt. Then we're gonna add in the box of Rice-A-Roni. Take out the packet and dump in the rice. Now we're gonna saute this in that butter for about 2 minutes before we add the rest of our ingredients. Now if you notice your pan getting too hot or too brown, go ahead and turn it down to medium heat. Now add in 2½ cups of water. Take your spatula and scrape the bottom of the pan. Being careful not to get the water out of the pan. Then add your seasoning packet. This is why our seasonings are so low. We're just going to mix this in. Once it's mixed in, all we have to do is let this come to a boil. So if you turned your heat down, go ahead and turn it back up. Once it comes to a boil, go ahead and add the lid. Then turn the heat down to low and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you stir it a few times in between. You're gonna let this cook until all that water is absorbed and the rice is nice and tender. It's been about 15 minutes. I already checked it. The rice is tender. The moisture is all absorbed, so it's ready to eat. I'm so excited about this. Here's an awesome trick too, is you can actually throw in any veggies. When you throw in the seasoning packet and the water, you can throw in any kind of frozen veggies and you have everything cooking in the pan all at once. I have done frozen peas and carrots, and I've also done some frozen broccoli chopped up. Love it. Okay, it's my favorite time, guys, eating it. Remember, you can get the full recipe. The link is in the description, or you can get all our budget-friendly recipes at eatingonadime.com. I just love sharing. I mean, this is such an inexpensive meal, and it's so tasty. I just love sharing these with you. Okay, let's get a bite. Scoop it up, Carrie. It's so good. The chicken is so tender, the rice is perfect, and the flavor is just on spot. I know it seems simple, but friends, you do not have to spend a lot of money and a lot of time making a delicious dinner. Okay, friends, I'm out of here, and before I go, if you love easy dinners like this one, make sure you watch our next video.